All right, morning, day 2. We're up and having breakfast now. We're going to be going to the Kitchen Kettle Villages. It's Amish shopping, supposedly. And then we're going to head over to Chocolate World and go and see how chocolate bars are made. And I think we're going to make our own. Are you excited?
Yeah.
All right, we arrived at our first destination. It's the Kitchen Kettle Villages. Looks like it's just a bunch of shops. It does look highly kind of commercialized, which we knew coming into. But we wanted to come and see the Amish, and we actually did see a couple on the way down doing horse and buggy and stuff, so it was actually really cool. Let me show you some of the videos of the shops that are nearby. What'd you guys think of the wine tasting?
It was awesome.
What'd you get, honey?
Raspberry.
How is it? Delicious?
I don't think I need this cup.
Oh, you're gonna eat it without the bowl? Awesome. Looks yummy. Here we go, Hershey Park and attractions. Drove through a ton of rain to get here, so thankfully our park day is not today. We're going to Chocolate World, which I think is mostly indoor, so I think it might all be indoor, but thankfully we're not at the park today because there's some serious storms out there. Like, let me turn around and show you. Look at those clouds. All right, we're walking the Chocolate World. Everyone excited? Yeah! Here we go, making chocolate bars. Alright, here we are, Chocolate World. About to make our chocolate bars.
Yeah!
Yeah, let's see you. Turn around. Let me see your hair now. You turn your head. Ooh,
Is that apron?
Yeah.
Choose up to 3 inclusions. So you can pick 3. Which one? Okay, go ahead. Anything else? Okay. You want to put the rest of it? All of these do the same thing. Alright, all candy bars will be enrobed in milk chocolate. They'll do next. Thank you, Brooklyn. Please enter the factory to start production of your candy bars.
So good.
Was the chocolate bar experience worth it?
Yeah, it definitely was worth it.
What'd you think of it, Brooke? Was it fun?
Good. I know what I'm gonna call mine.
What is it?
The Brooklyn Special.
Oh, I like. So we just got done doing the make your own chocolate bar. That was actually really fun. We all made some really great designs, and Brooklyn really knocked it out of the park with her design. It was an awesome experience. You actually got to pick your different flavors and toppings that go inside. Not toppings, but your inclusions, they call them. What goes inside the candy bar. Highly recommend it. It was a lot of fun. All right, we're back at the house. We just had dinner. We ate at the Chocolatier. It was a good restaurant. I ended up having the chicken and waffles, and it was actually really good. It was one of the signature meals inspired by Milton from Hershey. It was a good restaurant overall. We enjoyed ourselves. All right, that'll be it for tonight. See you tomorrow.